Bonjour! We're going to do à quelle heure from Tuesday, February 9th. Let's see what happened here. All right. À quelle heure? To find out when you and your friends are going to do certain things, follow the model. So they ask you, for example, à quelle heure est-ce qu'on étudie? At what time does one study? We got 8 p.m. So, on étudie vers 8 heures du soir. You just write out the time. All right, so these are all à quelle heure, and then the rest of the sentence. So, à quelle heure est-ce qu'on arrive au café? Now we're asking at what time does one arrive at the cafe, and you can simply answer, since the question is on arrive au café, you can say on arrive au café. And what would 10:30 be? Right, 10 heures, and you do that at. A lot of accents in here. So, 10 heures. And it's 30, so you could put either et demi or 30. We'll just do et demi. And it's AM, so du matin. On arrive au café à 10 heures et demi du matin. Also, you could put 10 heures 30. Numéro 2. À quelle heure est-ce que vous parlez avec le professeur? What time do you talk with the professor? Now, since the question is vous parlez, the answer could either be we speak, nous parlons, or I speak, je parle. We'll just put nous parlons. Conjugate. Nous parlons avec le professeur. And what time is that? At noon. Do you remember the word for noon? We got at. Noon is midi. Yes, so nous parlons avec le professeur à midi. Numéro 3. À quelle heure? At what time? À quelle heure est-ce que tu rentres? What time are you returning? Now, if the question is tu rentres, you're returning, you're going to answer with je rentre. And conjugate correctly. Je rentre. And then what time do you return? We got at 11:15. So that's 11 heures 15. And if you get the idea, go ahead and pause the video and try some of these. And if you get stuck, go back and watch the video. Je rentre à 11 heures 15. And we have PM, so we know PM is du soir. Je rentre à 11 heures 15 du soir. À quelle heure est-ce qu'on regarde la télé? Now, if the question is, what time does one watch TV? You can actually just answer with, on regarde la télé. Uh-oh. There we go. On regarde la télé à, remember that word at, à, with an accent. À, and 9 o'clock. So we have, what's 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. À 9 heures. And then is it du matin? No, that's morning. De l'après-midi is afternoon. It is du soir again. Du soir. À quelle heure est-ce que Marlène et Nadine mangent? So, à quelle heure est-ce que Marlène and Nadine mange? They eat. And it's fine. If you're asking about people, you can just, you're talking about them and not to them, you can just copy their names again. And then we got around 1:45. Remember the word from around was in your vocab? Vers. Now, a couple ways you could do 1:45. 1h45, or you could do 1:45. We'll do that one. 2 heures moins minus le quart. So 2 o'clock minus a quarter. So Marlène et Nadine mangent vers 2 heures moins le quart. And it's PM. It's not evening though, it's afternoon. So de l'après. De l'après. Whoa, where is it? Après midi. So elle nage vers 2 heures moins le quart de l'après-midi. And à quelle heure est-ce que le cours commence? So again, if they ask, what time does the class begin? You can start your answer with, the class begins. So le cours commence. And that word for at, what is it? Ah. Ah. And 7:20. What's 7? 7 heures. 20 is 20. And we have AM, so you remember it's du matin. So, le cours commence à 7h20 du matin. See what happened? All right. Très bien. I think we got them all. Yay. Merci. Let's see, find where the recording was. And it's